Is with a solar fountain, and I just wanted to show folks that you can have a fountain in it, but most bird baths you're not going to be able to send it up have a real high fountain, but this is just something to attract the birds with the sound. We put it on concrete because it is a little wobbly otherwise, but you can fill the tower, the pedestal, so it becomes more stable. One thing I didn't know before I bought it is it's basically all a very thick plastic. So if anything heavy got on it, like a raccoon or a possum, it would easily tip it. Squirrels, if they so desire, could probably bite through it. But it's still pretty. It still looks metal, but it is not. I would buy something similar again. It's not super deep, but for most bird baths, that's quite all right.
Okay, new bird bath. It's nice, it's pretty, and I bought a little solar fountain to put on top. So overall, I think it's what I wanted. It's pretty lightweight, so I'm gonna have to find something to weight it down so the wind doesn't topple it over, so we get a lot of wind.
The sun is stronger, so look at the flow now. It's much higher. I love it.